Welcome to your ultimate IPTV guide today. First, let's explore what IPTV offers. IPTV delivers television through the internet. Traditional cable packages often limit show variety. IPTV brings more channels and flexibility. To buy IPTV, visit our site 2tv.store. Select a package that suits your needs. Consider network speed for smoother streaming. After choosing, proceed to sign up securely. After signing up, log into your account. Download the IPTV application next step. Open the app and configure settings accordingly. Enter your IPTV credentials without error. Once entered, welcome to endless entertainment. Explore thousands of channels and programs. Enjoy live sports, news, and on-demand series. Having trouble? Customer support is always there. Use guides on 2tv.store for setup help. Happy watching across all your favorite devices. Remember, IPTV transforms your streaming habits. Thank you for joining our IPTV journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the bell icon for instant updates. See you next time. Until then, enjoy IPTV.